G'day, Bill Cobinoglu here, and today's topic of conversation is the wow factor. Franchisors will always talk to franchisees about encouraging them, about giving the best to the client, the wow factor. And how this kind of works is letting the client know that they're going to get value for money. Whether it's you're talking about products, about the service that you're going to provide, or how often you're going to come and do a really good service for them. Always keep in communication with the client. Let them know what you're doing for them. Let them know the type of service that you're providing for them. Communication is the key. As long as you keep talking to your clients and letting them know what service you're providing for them and that you're going a little bit that extra step, extra mile that we talk, that it's going to be a good service. Once again, the products are always the key to this because the clients would like to know what sort of products that you're using in their home. Offer them something a little bit extra. Maybe do a couple of windows every now and then. Maybe just do that oven or the cooktop for them. Let them know that you've done that little bit extra. Sometimes there's dishes in the sink. Sometimes they'd just like a little bit more of a wipe down or a dust or a couple of windows out the front. Franchisees that provide the wow factor on a consistent basis will have that customer on long term. They will be called on a regular basis to their homes. That client will never want to let that cleaner go because they feel they're getting value for money and a little bit extra each time. As the franchisee, if you are not sure if you're providing good quality service or even the wow factor to your clients, it's probably an idea that you sit down with your franchisor and just get some tips off them. They will be the best person to speak to regarding this. So, are you providing the wow factor to your clients? Ask yourself, and if you're not sure, sit down with your franchisor.